How to make Chef Morgan's basic macaroni and cheese. I start by boiling some elbow noodles, and I like to boil them until they get al dente. Then I'm going to strain them. Then I'll get started on this roux for this cheese sauce, equal parts butter and flour, and then add in some half and half. And then you'll start just adding your cheeses to that little by little, seasoning, adding some half and half, stirring it up, and just keep repeating these steps that you are seeing. Once the cheese sauce is to my liking, that's when I add my noodles in. I season the noodles up, and then I mix. Yes, it's making a macaroni and cheese sound. Yes, it is. Then I like to add some dry parsley to it and just keep mixing it until it's the consistency that I want. Then I put it in a Pyrex dish and add some more of that shredded cheese just to mix it in, because I like my macaroni and cheese curdy. You do what you do. This is what I do. Yes, that's me in the background dancing. Let's move on. Then I like to top it with all these different cheeses and dry parsley. Chef loves dry parsley, even though low key it smells like fish.